If you work with SAP finance data and you use KNIME, here's how to pull a list of your posted financial documents straight into a workflow and explore it, without exporting files or waiting on a separate SAP development. Let me show you how. Here's the whole thing on one screen. This first node wraps an SAP transaction your finance team already knows, FB03, the document list search. I can apply filters for just the data that's relevant to me. Because it runs the transaction, the data comes out with SAP's own logic already applied, so I'm not rebuilding it from raw tables. And it runs on the SAP authorizations I already have, so there's no custom code and nothing new for IT to develop. I run the node and the documents land in KNIME as a table. Document number, company code, and all the other fields you would expect straight from SAP. And this is a great benefit of KNIME. I open the view and I have an interactive dashboard. The documents are grouped on the chart, with a full list in the table, and they're linked. I click a bar and the table filters to just those documents. And the same data writes out to Excel at the same time for anyone downstream who still wants a spreadsheet. All of this runs through the SAP application layer using the authorizations your users already have. Nothing touches the SAP database directly, and there's no custom ABAP for you to write. It all runs in the KNIME Analytics platform or on the KNIME Hub if you want to schedule it. With DVW, you can read and write SAP data from any analytics or data platform. This exact workflow is on the KNIME Community Hub, so you can download it and try it on your own SAP system. Get in touch and we'll set you up with a trial.